Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Hasbro Connect 4 game. This might bring back a lot of fun memories for a lot of you. It takes about 1 minute to put this thing together, and then the fun begins. And here are the colored checkers that comes with the game. They say ages 6 and up, but younger kids can definitely play this game. Let the youngest player go first, and the object of the game is to keep stacking them until somehow, some way, in any direction, you can get 4 of your checkers in a row. Now, I call these checkers because they look like checkers to me. Oops, I win. You see I got 4 yellow in a row? That's how you play. Use the little slider on the bottom to release all of the discs, and you're ready to go for the next game. We have played this game as a family for years, and we love it. Little kids absolutely love it in the competition, and then the grown-ups start going at each other, and that's when it really gets hilarious. I like the game. I think you will too. I was given this game for free, and I really appreciate that I could share it with you.